Hello, welcome to my review on Fidelity. And as you can see, I am on the front page here. And Fidelity is a US based broker, and they really pound home the idea of zero commissions. Now, for those of you outside the US, you may not be aware, but what we are seeing here in the United States is that brokers are racing to the bottom because apps like Robinhood, which was, I know they have some equivalents in Europe, uh, which was basically a very straightforward platform. You could buy stocks, no commissions, and they made their money by selling order flow to high frequency trading groups, letting them step in front of your orders. Now, if you're an investor, that really doesn't make any difference. You're talking a difference of maybe half a cent or something. But what's happened is they've found that younger people just aren't coming to these brokers anymore. That being said, Charles Schwab got the idea of going to zero commissions, and the rest followed. Um, Interactive Brokers was one of the first ones, and now they all do. So while Fidelity makes a big deal about zero commissions, keep in mind that with U.S. brokerage firms anymore, just in the last couple of months, you're going to be hard pressed to find one that does charge. So with that in mind, that's one advantage, but you're going to find that advantage pretty much everywhere at this point. Fidelity does shine in the fact that it is regulated by the SEC and SIPC, as all Wall Street firms are, of course. Um, the products that they offer, mutual funds, retirement IRAs, trading, stocks, basically fixed income, ETFs, just think US Wall Street type of products. Now, where they're trying to make their money is they're bringing you into the fold of the brokerage. And then there's things like managed accounts, 529 college savings, which if you're not in the United States, you don't have to deal with any of that. Annuities, life insurance, long-term care insurance, that type of thing. So it does, it's kind of like their way of what they call a loss leader trying to get you in the door. They have a platform called Active Trader Pro. It's been around for years. It's highly tested. It's a really nice platform, actually. Um, it has plenty of news, plenty of information as far as option chains and monitoring the level two, that type of thing. It also will show things like real time alerts. Like right here, it shows that the stock is outperforming the S&P 500. It'll bring that up. Um, there's all kinds of technical analysis stuff that you can do on this. It is a nice platform. They also have a couple of other platforms. There's a web-based one, which is simply you type in what you want. And then there is a mobile app, which is a little less, they're both a little less robust than Active Trader Pro. So again, when it comes to initial deposit, that's nothing. Obviously, you need the money to place the trade. And then the spreads conditions, the spreads are just going to be what you see at the stock exchange, for example. They don't widen the spreads. It's actually illegal in the U.S. Um, and with Fidelity, there are fees of $1 per bond if you trade bonds. But beyond that, everything else is zero. As far as sending money to Fidelity, it's check and bank transfer. They also have almost 200 branches throughout the U.S. You can walk in, pay there as well. Now, they do have a pretty extensive news and research area that tends to really kind of go way over the top, and it's because your interests are aligned. So the the idea is they want to keep you as a customer for life. So they're actually really good at this type of information. There's some pretty decent education throughout the platform in various bits and pieces. It's pretty extensive, so it's difficult to kind of just put a finger on one thing that makes it better than some of the others. It's just so massive. This is just the research, and this is like Market Watch investing idea. They give you access to Market Watch and some other news type of stuff. So it's really a nice brokerage firm for U.S. based investments. Now, Forex obviously isn't offered, futures aren't offered, but if you're looking for just stocks, this is an excellent place. I mean, Fidelity's been around forever. You have to be um, cautious about day trading though, unless you have over 25,000 in your account. That's not them. That's the SEC. That's really the only thing. But that's something you're going to find anywhere in the United States.